Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, we shall solve problem. The type of problem is we have to express the following in the form of a complex number a plus ib. So these are the problems. The first one, 5 minus 3i whole cube. So now we have to express this number in the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers. That means you have to express these in the general complex number form. Right? Now it is of the form a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So if you can't remember this one, we can split the power. So 5 minus 3i into 5 minus 3i whole square, a minus b whole square. Then 5 minus 3i whole cube is, so a cube, that is 5 cube minus b cube. So 3i whole cube minus 3 into 5 into 3i into a minus b, that is 5 minus 3i. Next, 5 cube is 125 minus 3i whole cube. That means 3 cube into I cube. 3 cube is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 27 I cube is minus I. So minus I. Minus 3 5 is 15. 15 3 is 45. So 45 I into 5 minus 3i. 3i. So it is 125 minus to minus plus. So plus 27i here minus 48i into this complex number. So multiply this inside. So 45 5za. 45 5za. 45 5za is how much? 45 2za 90, 90 plus 90 180, 225. Right? So it is minus 225 I minus minus plus 45 3za. 45 3za is 120 135. I into I square. So 125 plus 27i minus 225i. I square is minus 1, so minus 135. So 125 minus 135 means minus 10. 27i minus 225i. It is minus 198i. Minus 198i. So hence we express this in the form a plus ib. A plus ib. So it is of the form a plus ib, where what is the value of a? A is minus 10 and b is minus 198. So just you have to simplify it using any algebraic identities or any algebraic steps, and finally you have to arrive at general form of a complex number, that is a plus ib. This is the first problem. Now we shall move on to the second one. Second one is minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 2i whole cube. This is equal to, right? So minus I is there, so it is minus 1 into I. So I'll take I terms one side, all constant terms one side. So 2 here minus 1 by 2 whole cube. I terms will be I into this I here I cube. So just I am separating constant terms and I terms. So just okay. Now minus 1 by 2 whole cube is minus 1 whole cube by 2 cube. So it is minus 1 by 8. So minus minus plus. So 2 by 8. It will be 2 by 8 into. So I. So base is same. I have to add the powers. So 3 plus 1 plus 1. It is 5. So I power 5. I power 5 is I power 4 plus 1. So I power 1 is I. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 1 power 1 by 4 into I. Or we can express it as 0 plus I into 1 by 4. So that means we have expressed this in the form A plus IB, where what is A? A is 0 and B is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Which is a purely imaginary number, as its real part is 0. So hence we express second one also in the form A plus IB. Now we shall come to the third one. So third one is 5 plus root 2I divided by 1 minus root 2I. Okay. Now I need actually the form A plus IB. So there you can observe here I should be always in the numerator. I cannot be in the denominator. So here we have I in the denominator. So we have to eliminate that I in the denominator. So how shall we do it? We have to remove I. Here we have I power 1. Now think about powers of I. Think about powers of I. So if you add and subtract, then also we will be remained with I. So think of multiplying. So you know I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 is plus 1. So if you have I square, then you will get minus 1 or plus 1 real numbers. So that I will be eliminated. So somehow you have to multiply a term so that you should get I square or I power 4 anything. Right? So what should we do is 5 plus root 2I by 1 minus root 2I. So just to eliminate I, what we'll do is we'll multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator complex number. The conjugate of this is so 1 minus root 2I. Its conjugate will be, just here to negate the imaginary part. Its conjugate will be 1 plus root 2I. Multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator just to eliminate I in the denominator. And this process is called rationalization. This process is called rationalization. Now, so numerator as it is 5 plus root 2I into 1 plus root 2I divided by, now observe here we have A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. That is 1 square minus root 2I whole square. So see here I got I square term. So if you have I square, it will be minus 1. So I will be eliminated in the denominator. Right? Now we have multiplication of two complex numbers. It is of the form A plus IB, C plus ID. It will be AC minus BD. So AC minus BD. So it will be 2 plus I into AD plus BC. AD plus BC. So divided by 1 square is 1 minus root 2 whole square is 2. I square is minus 1. So now 5 minus 2 is 3 plus I into 5 root 2 plus root 2. So these are like search. You can add them. So it is 6 root 2 divided by, so minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Or you can take 3 common in the numerator. So 3 into 1 plus I 2 root 2, because 6 is 3 into 2. If you take 3 outside, 2 will be remain divided by 3. So 3 cancel. So 1 plus I into 2 root. Hence we got the form of A plus IB. So hence we express in the form A plus IB, where A is 1, B is 2 root 2. Whenever you have quotient of two complex numbers, and if you have I term in the denominator, just multiply it by its conjugate. So this is third one. Next, fourth one. So what we have, minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Okay. So minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 is there. So you know that root of a negative number is not a real number. It is not defined as a real number. So we can split it. It has minus 1 into 2. Then it is minus root 3 plus, so square root of A into B is there, square root of A into square root of B. It is square root of minus 1 into square root of 2 into 2 root 3 minus I as it is. Now minus root 3, square root of minus 1 is I, root 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Now we have product of two complex numbers. It is of the form A plus IB into C plus ID. So just follow the multiplication process. So it is AC minus BD. AC, so minus root 3 into 2 root 3 minus BD. B is root 2, D is minus 1. So root 2 into minus 1 plus I into AD plus BC. AD, so minus root 3 into minus 1 plus BC. 2 into 2 root 3. Root 2 into 2 root 3. Now, 2 root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square, that is 3. So it is minus 6 here plus root 2, because minus plus root 2 plus I times, so minus root 3 into minus 1 is root 3 plus here 2 into root 2 into root 3 is root 6. So 2 root 6. So hence we got the form A plus IB. So it is of the form A plus IB. So where A is minus 6 plus root 2, B is root 3 plus 2 into root 6. Or you can simplify it further. So root 6 is 2 into root 3. So root 3 plus 2 into 6 is 2 into 3. So root 3 into root 2. You can do it like that also, or you can keep it like this. So this is the fourth problem. Next, the last one. 1. We have I to the power minus 35, or it is by law of synthesis, a power m is 1 divided by a power minus m. So it will be 1 divided by I power 35. Now we have to solve what is I power 35. To solve power non-negative power of I, what you have to do? You have to divide this by 4. So 4 8s are 32. So remainder will be, so I can express this as 4 8s are 32 plus remainder 3. So what it will be? So I power 4 power 8 into I power 3. So I power 4 is 1, 1 power 8 is 1, I power 3 is minus 5. So we have 1 by minus 5. But we need the form of a plus ib. That means I cannot be in the denominator. It should be in numerator. So in that case, we have to do the process of rationalization. That means multiply and divide by its conjugate. Minus I is there. Its conjugate will be plus I. Because minus I means what? It is 0 plus I into minus 1. This is the complex number whose imaginary part is minus 1. Its conjugate will be 0 plus I into 1. That is I. So I by I into I square. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So it is I. Or it is 0 plus I into 1. We have A plus IB form. We have A plus IB form where A is 0, B is 1. B is 1. So these are the problems of expressing given expression in the form of A plus IB. In the next session, I'll come up with different problems. Thank you.